department is certainly working hard today. Okay, so about 15 or 20 minutes have gone by. Sorry, my memory card was full. And I'm back outside, just videoing. The fire is in much better shape as far as I could see. The smoke is still black, flames aren't as bad. And they're putting lots of water on this thing. Figure I'll just take a lot of video and edit the good stuff in or out or whatever later. Give me just, I'm going to stop for a second. Okay, so I moved us back up front. Smoke's a little less here. We got a police car. This is a North Hudson fire truck of some sort. You can see now I can see a little bit more clearly, there's less smoke, but you can just see black smoke billowing out of General Lumber. We got a Pt8 truck here. I suppose they're either cutting power or restoring power. All sorts of do not cross tape. I guess it's just to prevent cars from going where they shouldn't, my guess. Still alarms going off. Okay, so, and of course, plenty of water. Plenty of water.